Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and isolating the headset. Static discharge can damage electronics, so touch grounded metal first. Once done, gently peel the ear cushions from their lip using a plastic spudger to expose hidden screws and clips. Make sure to collect those retaining clips in a small container so they don't get lost. Next, lift or slide off the headband cover to reveal additional Torx or Phillips screws. Remove them in a consistent order to track where each screw belongs. You'll now separate the two plastic halves. Insert a thin pick at the seam and flex outward, releasing clips sequentially to avoid cracking the shell. Once open, locate and carefully unplug the battery connector and any ribbon cables. Note which way each connector faces because reassembly depends on correct orientation. Then unscrew internal standoffs holding the speaker modules and PCB. Keep screws grouped and labeled. Work methodically so the foam, mesh, and small components remain matched to their original positions. You finish by lifting out the speakers and microphone booms. Inspect solder joints, foam seals, and battery contacts for corrosion or loose wires because these are common failure points. When putting everything back, reverse the order, reconnect ribbons and battery, then power up and test audio, mic, charging, and pairing before snapping the shell closed. Make sure clips align and screws go back to their original holes. If a clip is stuck or a screw missing, use low-profile adhesive pads or order OEM screws.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.